Happy birthday, Nan. Here's a special concerto.
Good. Go ahead.
Now go ahead and play it. Play it.
Go ahead. Now you can conduct. Technical malfunctions.
It's hard to play violin. Do you know what happens when you want a different note?
What?
You pull the stick another way.
You pull the stick another way.
And when you want to make a song, you pull the stick all ways. After you're done with the other part, you pull it another way. So that's how you make a song. And if it sounds good together, it can be a song. Or you need
Excellent.
to add words.
You need to add words.
Or it can be without words.
Nice without words. Because then you can make them up like you do.
That thing, it's almost over.
Say happy
Your
birthday, Nan.
house.
Say happy birthday, Nan. Happy birthday, Nan.
Mommy,
job,
Daddy.
Happy birthday,
Look
Mom.
what my finger is.
Happy birthday, Nan. I love you.
Happy birthday, Dad. I love you.